Uh, you guys, I hope you guys very well and learning this kind of stuff. Uh, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Telegram bot token and connect it into n8n. And this bot token is completely free and uh, there have no hassle to connect Telegram bot token into n8n. And this is too easy. You can connect it under 30 seconds. 30 seconds. So it's too easy. So let's get started. Uh, just a second, guys. Okay, so I've already created one bot. Uh, for Telegram creating bot, there have two options. The first option is you can click here, open, and just you can show that create a new bot and just give any name and if you just random name Aditya dash 44 triple four, but you can see this name is available, so you can just click here. You can just the what is done. So but the another thing is you can just you can also do it just a slash and paste it over here, slash new bot. This is a one kind of command and give any name like Aditya das and change youtube youtube tutorial for bot. uh good, let's not choose one name. Copy and paste it over here again. Yeah, the bot is done. And what the this username is also available. So you can see use this token to access HTTP. Just click here, done. And now go any 10 and just you can also create a new workflow or you can use any existing workflow. For now I am use my existing workflow and just click here and just search Telegram. Search Telegram, that's it. Just and then on message, uh, just create new bot and just paste it over here this token and just rename it YouTube. Anything like my bot, my API bot. There's you just click here save and you can see the bot credentials successfully created inside your personal space. So now if I now you need to sorry now you need to just click here YouTube tutorial bot for bot and just click here search. I think the bot will execute it. Nope. Just click and you can see the type is bot command cause slash uh cause slash start is a one kind of command. That is why. I mean, okay, okay. Now you can I think see perfect. So now if I execute the workflow, execute and the workflow is a one node. If I say hey, you can see the workflow is executed successfully and the text is hey and from Adidas to username ID. So this is too easy, guys. And then then add AI agent, then add AI agent, and then a chat model, and make a Telegram bot for you. And the next video is, I think, create your first agent or Telegram. How to create your first Telegram bot. That's it, guys. And yeah, this is done. I just wanted to show something you that if you want, you can visit my this store cause you can find a bunch of template here for completely free with setup guide, and there are 2 or 3 templates I think are paid because they're obviously exclusive. You can find messenger chatbot, Google Maps scraper, personal assistant, social media automation, and then graphic designer agent, then how to start a automation in the 5K per month automation roadmap, how to build your website for completely free and budget and many stuff. I think you need to visit this site and you can find many resources here. uh just it it's just see how much take time to create a bot. Just 1 minute, under 1 minute you're able to create a Telegram bot, and too easy guys. And follow me for this type of content. I hope you find this video helpful. Have a great day. Thanks for support.